and welcome. This is Shanna with Trinity Stamps, today showing you a new stamp and die set from the Bright Side release. It is a 4x6 stamp set called Let's Ride Together. This fun school bus themed stamp set was illustrated by Davina Cantrell of Popsiclesticks. It contains 25 separate stamps and features a bus with a driver and a crossing guard, along with an assortment of accessory stamps to match. Some of the sentiments are I really appreciate you, kindness matters, let's ride today, I just wanted to stop to say thank you, with a cute little stop sign. The coordinating die set for the Let's Ride Together stamp set contains a total of 11 dies that will cut out all of the images in the stamp set. One of my favorite things about Trinity Stamps products is the special things they put in their sets, thinking of the card maker that's going to be using them. In this case, they created a stamp that made the hand that's going to hold the stop sign without the need of masking. The stamp set would make really great thank you cards for your favorite bus driver or crossing guard, a really cute back to school card, or maybe some notes for bus drivers to hand out to the kids that get on their bus. The included scenery images like the cloud, the sun, the bird, and even the paper airplane would mix and match with other sets as well for cute little scenes. To wrap things up, I'm going to leave you with some creative team inspiration. Be sure to like and subscribe us here on Facebook to stay in touch, and also follow us over on the Facebook Inspiration group and over on Instagram. I hope you have a great day, stay crafty, and stay safe.